Welcome back to Blue Collar Homestead. Today's video, we're going to go over this little guy right here. This thing, I bought this a while back. This is by a company named Yonanas. I bought this off Amazon. I think it's like 40 bucks or something, but what this little guy does, I'm going to take this all apart, is it makes kind of like a healthy ice cream alternative. And what you do is you take bananas and you obviously peel them, break them up, throw them in the freezer and freeze them. And then when you send it through this little machine, it basically turns it into something that's like ice cream. Now you can see it's got these little tiny blades in this thing that spin around. Goes inside this thing, obviously, and then this goes back on the machine. Just sits on there, and then you throw the bananas in here, push that down, it spits it out here. This thing is so crazy, because like I said, we've run bananas through it, strawberries, watermelon, and actually when you mix it all together, it's actually really good. It comes out just like a soft serve ice cream like you would get from Dairy Queen or McDonald's. I mean, the consistency wise is pretty close to that. So what you got to do is, peel your bananas. I mean, if you're going to do strawberries, obviously you want to cut off all the green parts, the stems and whatnot. So these are organic bananas. Now they say in the directions that bananas that have the little spotting on them, the little brown spots, they say these are actually give a lot more flavor than ones that are not as ripe, if you will. So I'm just going to break these up. I'm going to throw this on a paper plate, and then later on tonight, after these are frozen, I will bring these out. We'll run them through the machine. Oops, and you can see what that's all about. So I think I'm going to do one more banana, because these are starting to turn brown. Anybody, you know how bananas are. If you don't, it's like they start to turn brown. If you don't eat them all right now, by tomorrow they're bad. So I'm going to throw these in the freezer. Oh yeah, don't worry about the tomatoes there. We're not going to send the tomatoes through this. I guess you probably could, but tomato ice cream, that just, nah, I don't think so. I don't think that would work very well. This was actually just picked out of the garden this morning. After I'm done shooting this part of the video, I gotta go outside, get the turkey fryer pot, the big pot from the turkey fryer, and this whole thing here is probably gonna get made into soup. I think I'm gonna do it today. I might wait one more day and do it until tomorrow. We'll see how the day goes. But I'm gonna get this stuff in the freezer, and then later on this evening, we'll get the camera back out. We'll make some of this ice cream, and you'll see what it's all about. Like I said, it's like a healthy alternative to ice cream. It doesn't have all the nasty stuff in it, the high fructose corn syrup, and all the added sugars. It's all natural fruit. It's not anything added to it. There's no milk, no water, no sugar, no nothing. It's just frozen fruit. You run it through the machine, it shoots it out like soft serve ice cream. So let's get these frozen, and then we'll be back and we'll show you how this thing works. All right, we are back. Did make a little bit of soup. There's 4 more quarts. On top of that, didn't even put a dent in the tomatoes. But anyways, back to the matter at hand. These are all frozen. I did go outside and get a few strawberries off our strawberry plant that we planted in the spring. So we're getting a little bit off there, but they're spreading out. Anyways, we're gonna take these bananas, we're gonna throw them in this machine, and it's gonna spit them out right here. And it's really close to being like a soft serve ice cream. This little machine's kind of amazing, actually. So after you freeze this, when you get it out, you're supposed to let it sit out for like 10 minutes or whatever before you start chucking it all down there. Chucking it. So we're gonna chuck these in there, a couple of those. Now this is gonna get kind of loud. I'm gonna turn this on, and then Trent, if you can get a shot when it starts coming out. All right, here we go, let it rip. Hold on. You can kind of see what's going on. I got one more banana to do, then we'll shut this noisy thing off and have a look-see, but you can see how it's coming out pretty good. Like I said, it's almost got the consistency of like a soft serve ice cream. All right, that's that. Now, I'm just doing this with a fork so you can kind of see how you can see the consistency of it.
It smells good.
I mean, Like I said, it's just like soft serve ice cream. I mean, check it out. It's like just like ice cream, but it doesn't have all the bad stuff in it. This is 100% banana and strawberry. That's it. There's no weird additives. There's no added sugars or anything like that. It's 100% natural. I mean, this is the perfect alternative to ice cream. It's actually a lot healthier because it's all natural. There's no added sugars, like I said. So we've been doing this for a while. Like I said, we've sent strawberries, bananas, watermelon, all different kind of stuff through this. So this is pretty much how it goes. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to put it in an ice cream cone. And then Trin, I believe, is going to... What are you going to do with yours?
I'm going to mix it with Greek yogurt and some of my granola, my Love Crunch granola.
Yeah, so Trin's going to go that route. I'm having mine on an ice cream cone. I might actually just get the ice cream scooper in there. Probably be easier than this, but there. You can see that. It's just like ice cream. All right, Trin, I think the rest of that is going to be yours, but...
Oh my.
Yep.
That's a lot.
All right. Cheers.
Enjoy.
Yeah, so see you on the next one.